Hi, I'm Nikki from Find Me Crafting. Today I'm going to show you a gift that is so easy and simple to create. You can do it in minutes, but it just might save someone's sanity. Whoever you give these dish towels to, they're going to love them because they're going to dress up their kitchen, and they're held on with snaps, which means that the oven door, the dishwasher door, wherever you attach them, they're going to stay put no matter who's wiping their hands on them. So when kids come home for summer and they're home all day long, wiping their hands and dropping on the floor, and mom feels like she's going insane because you do nothing but pick up towels all day long, this is going to solve that problem. They're going to stay in place and they look fantastic. Come on, I'll show you how. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any projects or patterns. You're going to need dish towels, whichever kind you like, whatever pattern, whatever brand. There's really nothing that has to be specific here. You're going to need a way to install plastic snaps. You can use a table press or a handheld press. I'm going to be using the Cam Snap table press. You're also going to need an awl. This should have come with either your handheld snap press or the table press. For each dish towel, you will need all of these pieces to install the snaps. You will need 2 of the caps. Those are the ones with the little pointy pieces in the middle. And you will need a male piece and a female piece. And if you're using the Cam Snap table press, you need the press itself. You would need the adapter base that goes in like that. And you would also need the dies that go with the plastic snaps. So this is the way they go. You have these pieces. This is the one to install the male side, and this is the one to install the female side. So what we're going to be doing is installing the snaps in opposite directions. So this is the front of the dishcloth that I'm working with, and on the left side, the cap is on the front side, and on the back side, we have the female piece. And then on the right side, I have the male side on the front, and the back has the cap, the flat piece. And this is going to allow it to hang really well. So that's our goal. So we're going to take our dishcloth and open it up and fold it lengthwise. You want to have your upper corners together so that you can punch a hole in the same area on both sides. So this is going to be my top, the top of my dishcloth, and I've folded it so the corners are together. And then you're going to take your awl and you're just going to go up here into the corner and push through so that you have a hole through both sides. I'm going to begin by working on the left-hand side of my towel first. So if this is the front here, right here, and then this is the upper left corner, that's what I'm going to be working on first. So I'm going to do the female side, which is going to be a cap, and the female piece that looks like this. And the die that works with that looks like this. So I'm going to put my adapter base into my table press, and I'm going to screw this die into the table press. And on this side, I want the cap to be showing. So I'm going to do, this is the front, I'm going to go through the hole, if I can find it, because it's very well camouflaged. There we go. So you put the cap through the hole so that it's on the front side, and then you flip it over. You can see my little peg sticking out the back, and I'm going to put the female side on just like that, so it looks like this. I'm going to put this into my table press. You always put the cap into the base because it's got a spot for it, so it protects it as you're using the press. So I put it in like that, and I'm just going to lower the handle and press down really hard. A couple times. Now it's all pressed down. And if I pull it out, it has installed the female side. There we go. So now I'm going to work on the right side. So the right side of the top of the front of my dishcloth. That's what you're looking at. So I'm going to change out the die here. Take out my female. So this is what the die looks like for the male side. And I'm going to screw that in to my table press. And for this side, the right side, I want the cap to be on the back. So I'm going to take the flat cap piece and I'm going to find my hole. And I'm going to stick it through to the front. I don't know if you can see the little prong sticking out on the front side. And now I'm going to take the male piece that looks like this. And I'm going to put it onto my cap like that. So this, you're looking at the front of my dishcloth still. I'm going to put it into the table press like this. And then I'm going to keep it in place while I slowly lower my press and press down really hard. Okay, and you're done. That's literally it. There is nothing else. This is the front, and here's my two cap pieces. And let's just check and make sure that they are working. Yep, snap together, pulls apart. It's fully functional, and this one's done. Hanging up the Snap Happy Towel is very easy. Just place the end of the towel with the snaps on it over the handle or bar and down behind about 1/3 of the towel. Then bring the ends with the snaps around from the back and click together in front of the towel. That's it. I've got a free gift tag printable with the instructions for snapping your towel together available on my website. Then when you give it away, your gift recipient knows how to tap into the genius that is the Snap Happy Towel. Happy crafting!